According to this purpose, Hifazat Islam's Bangladesh leaders, they have organized a massive protesting against Israel. And alongside, we know that in this country we are suffering the massive. I am standing in this moment in front of Baitul Mukarram. According to announcing of Hifazat Islam Bangladesh, you know that they have announced on social media that the world and massive protest will be organized in front of Baitul Mukarram against Israel. We know that throughout 2 years, Israeli soldiers and Israeli troops have invaded on innocent Gaza Strip and innocent people of Muslim in Gaza Strip. That's why we are seeing throughout 2 years the people of Gaza Strip, they can't sleep and they can't live peacefully. That's why the whole nation and whole Muslim community, they are suffering the human catastrophe and humanitarian disaster. That's why the Muslim Ummah have called to and have appealed to the Muslim United Nations and Arab League and OIC that absolutely have to adopt and we have to take a hard step against Israel, as they can't invade and they can't attack one civilians of Gaza Strip. So according to this purpose, Hifazat Islam's Bangladesh leaders, they have organized a massive protesting against Israel. And alongside, we know that in this country we are suffering the massive misrule in this country. So you know that our neighbor country in India, oppressor and dictator, killer, Modi government has oppressed and has killed and murdered and tortured on the Muslim and on the innocent Muslim of Indian. And even they have forced them to leave their country, only one country, and across India and across whole world, we are seeing that the Muslim community, they are suffering human catastrophe. That's why in this moment and in this position, we have to beside and we have to stand beside Muslim Ummah, particularly in Gaza Strip and the people of Gaza Strip, as even the leader of Hifazat Islam, they have condemned the leaders of Arab League and leader of Arab Islamic Arab Emirates and Islamic and Saudi Arabia and United States and United Nations. You know that they don't take any hard step and strong step against Israel. That's why they don't stop their invasion and their attacking on the civilians of Gaza Strip. They are launching and they're continuing and relentless and continuously attacking on the Gaza Strip. That's why we appeal and we can invite the whole nation, whole Muslim community of around the world. Absolutely, you have to stay beside Muslim Ummah and you will restore the Muslim Ummah from this disaster, and the voice will be raised around the whole world against Israel, as the Israel can't stand and can't invade again on the civilians of Gaza Strip. And from this country and from Bangladesh, we can reach to our voice to the leaders of Arab and to the whole leaders of whole world. Absolutely, you will take a hard and strong step against Israel, as they can't reach the misrule. They can't reach misrule in the Middle East, in the Arab country. So thank you so much for staying for beside Muslim Ummah, for staying beside for people of Gaza Strip and beside in the innocent people of Gaza Strip. Even through a few days ago, the Israel troops has invaded in middle night on the Gaza Strip. At the time they are taking Sahari. At that moment they have invaded on Gaza Strip without any sin and without any crime. So they have done war crimes many times. Without that, the leaders of Arabs and leaders of world nation, they don't take any step against them and they don't attack them. So we can appeal and we can request to United Nations. Absolutely.